What's up, YouTube? Geo here. So today I'm here working on the stack laundry unit, and complaint was the dryer, the inner drum was extremely loose, falling off towards the back there. So we'll open up the unit to see what's going on, and lo and behold, would you look at that? The whole rear mount is all broken off the unit. Let me show you guys what that piece is supposed to look like. This is my new piece here. That's the part number 530-328-1153. Electrolux Frigidaire unit. And you can see what it's supposed to look like. And the whole bottom part is missing. Look how thick it was. So I'm gonna have to replace this assembly kit here. Look at that. So that ball sits in there, and that's what kind of support the rear of the drum unit. First time I see one just got worn out. Looked like it was rubbing on the metal, and eventually just got worn out and just snaps apart. All right. All right. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us. Join us on the next one.